Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nene here. Today I'm going to do another swipe. Yes, swipes are by far my favorite. I promise I will be doing others other than swipes, but right now I'm on a swipe kick and this is what I'm doing today. On a red background, on a 60 by 20 canvas, I believe it's a 16 by 20. I can't remember right at the second, but yeah, I believe it is. With the, like I said, a red background, I'm going to use the metallic golds in this paintings. I think the red and the golds look pretty good together. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this video go ahead and play out, speed it up a little bit, and I will see you at the end. Okay, well, here it is. Well, let me tell you what I think about it. It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it either. I do love the colors together, the cells. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I feel like it needs a little something, but like I said, I don't hate it. I just kind of like it, if that makes any sense. What do you guys think? Please leave me your opinions, your thoughts in the comments. I love to see or read what you guys are thinking about this, because like I said, I'm not hating it. It's just, I don't know, it's just not grabbing me like the other ones, but I do love it. I'm just going to stare at it for a little while, and who knows what I'm going to do with it. But let's just see what it looks like when it dries, which I will show you at the end. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I think I'm done. I think I'm done fumbling around with it. Here it is. I like it. I do like it. I still think that there's something missing, but I do love the colors together. The reds, the gold, the antique gold, the rose gold, the Inca gold, the royal gold, the black and the white. Yeah, I like it. It's different, and I still think there's something that needs to be added to it. I'm not sure yet, but again, let me know what you think now of this painting in the comments. So here's the dry results right now. Well, there it is. It's not varnished yet. I have a couple more weeks before I can do that. But here's what I was thinking. I was thinking maybe I can add some type of embellishment to it, another stencil. I just have to decide what style of stencil to put on here. But in any case, when I do, I'll post it. Let me know what you think, again, in the comments. I'm very curious. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you know when I am uploading. And I will also add a picture of it with the stencil. See you soon. Bye-bye.